Hurricane Melissa has torn through the Caribbean as a powerful Category 5 storm, devastating parts of Jamaica and Cuba. Winds topping 185 miles per hour have flattened buildings, flooded coastal towns, and left thousands homeless. Jamaican officials are reporting rising casualties as rescue teams battle heavy rain and debris. The storm is now moving toward the Bahamas, where a state of emergency has been declared. Experts warn Melissa could become one of the strongest Atlantic hurricanes in modern history, fueled by record ocean heat. With lives lost and entire regions in chaos, the Caribbean is facing a storm that's rewriting the history books.